Yo, HVAC repair guy here. Today we're looking at two ducted split heat pumps in a head-to-head battle. The Amana ASZC7 versus the Aireforce FSH4BF. If you're looking for field-tested advice to save your wallet and your comfort, you're in the right place. Both of these units sit in the premium category, meaning they aren't just your basic on-off machines. They are two-stage systems designed for better humidity control and more consistent temperatures. Let's talk armor. In the HVAC world, the coil is the most vulnerable part of your system. Both Amana and Aireforce equip these models with louvered steel panels. This isn't that flimsy wire mesh you see on budget units that leaves your coils wide open to hail, rocks from the lawnmower, or the neighbor's dog. With these louvered cabinets, you've got real protection for that sensitive aluminum or copper underneath. When we dig into the tech, both units use two-stage compressors to ramp up or down depending on the weather. However, the Amana ASZC7 has a slight edge in heating efficiency with an HSPH rating of 8.2 compared to the 7.8 you get with the Aireforce. Amana also throws in a variable speed condenser fan, which helps the unit run smoother and more efficiently than the fixed speed fan on the Aireforce. Both brands were smart enough to include a compressor blanket, which is a huge win for your ears. It keeps that mechanical roar down to a low hum during the night. Before we get to the winner, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a coil get trashed by a hailstorm or a weed whacker? Or maybe you've had a unit so loud it kept the whole house awake? Drop a comment below and let's talk shop. Now, the warranty is where these two really separate. Both offer a solid 10-year parts warranty. Aireforce gives you a 10-year unit replacement guarantee, which is fantastic. If that compressor fails in the first decade, they swap the whole outdoor unit. But Amana takes it to the next level. The ASZC7 comes with a lifetime compressor warranty and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. That means as long as you own the home, that compressor is covered. So, who takes the trophy? While the Aireforce FSH4BF is a rugged, well-protected machine, the Amana ASZC7 is the winner. It gives you slightly better heating efficiency, more advanced fan technology, and a warranty that is basically unbeatable in this category. If you want the peace of mind that comes with a lifetime guarantee, Amana is the way to go. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our upcoming equipment battles. See you on the next one.